1997. Prevost Country Coach, 40 feet, no slides with matching enclosed trailer. Series 60 Detroit, Allison 6-speed transmission, 149,000 miles. Always serviced at Prevost, always kept indoor, never outside. Generator, recently fully rebuilt at Prevost with a recent upgrade for modern inverters, chargers, solar, and batteries. 4 new chassis batteries in 2025, newer 3 rooftop AC and heat pumps. Auto leveling, no jacks. Hydronic diesel HTR, independent front suspension, Zip Dee awnings and 4 Zip Dee chairs, double vanity and washer dryer. More info in the description down below. Full listing on our website. Subscribe for more Prevost RVs.